Hope all is well. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to email via Powerschool. Also, forgive me if you hear any background noise. Day 3 of the quarantine with 2 children has been interesting. So, again, forgive if you hear them in the background. So this is your kind of home screen on Powerschool. When you get in there, you've got all your classes up. The thing that you need to do next from here is to identify the class that you want to get the email addresses for. So my first class is Digital and Desktop Publishing A135. So I'm going to go and click on the backpack. And once I'm in the backpack, you'll notice up here you have something that says email addresses. Click on email addresses, and you'll get this big email list that pops up. Actually, this is a small class for me, so not as big of a list. Usually it's like 25 or 30 kids. So what I've been doing personally is clicking on select all student email addresses, and then I go into the guardian email address as well, and I select that. So this gives you the option to email all of your parents and all of your kids at the same time. You'll notice that they all ended up down here on the bottom, and you can click copy. Click OK. If you just want to send a message to students, you can just check off this box over here. If you just want to send a message to just parents or guardians, check off this box here. So it would look like this if it's just guardians. If it's just students, it's this. I've been doing both, but totally up to you how you want to do it. Then you're going to go into your email. And once that opens up, I'm going to compose an email. And not really sure why this thing came up here. I'm going to X out of that. Try a new email. There we go. So what I always do when I send out a message like this to a bunch of people is in the to box, I'm going to send that to my own personal email. Okay, that's really important. Then you're going to click on BCC. You're going to blind carbon copy all of the students, parents, whatever combination you want to do. So go ahead and paste that in there. You'll notice you get all these email addresses that pop up. So you've got a whole bunch of folks that you're going to email now. Okay, so we'll type in a subject, check again. Another thing that I did that helped me out is, especially for elective teachers, I added in parentheses the name of the class that I'm sending this to. And so this is my Digital Desktop Publishing class. A123, or however you identify them, 8th grade. I know they do them by sports teams and whatnot. So that's helped me just kind of keep track of my emails, especially if I have to send them out to a whole bunch of classes separately. If you're going to do all of these all together, if you want to send one big mass email to your whole team, you're going to have to go back into Powerschool and select each individual class from the backpack. Go in, find those email addresses, select the students, select the parents, or whatever combination you want. Copy that, go back to your email, and add those folks into your blind carbon copy. But again, that's up to you. If you want to do one class at a time for one email, do it that way. If you want to have all your classes all at once, do it the way I just showed you there. You can add in all the email addresses you want into that blind carbon copy. Okay, totally up to you. Then go in, type in your message, hit send, and you'll be all good. You'll notice that you get a message sent back to yourself. So when you see that and it says your name, just be aware. So like for instance, when I sent mine out, here it is, checking in. Tech Tools B26, and it says it's from me, and there's my big message that I sent everybody, and you can see all the email addresses that are in there too. Occasionally you might get an email address that doesn't work, and you'll get a reply saying that that email message didn't go through. Okay, that is it. If you've got any questions, comments, concerns, you just need a hand, shoot me a message, and I'm happy to help you out. Hope all is well, folks.